Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.
Say hello to my colorful friends.
In the sunlit park where the daisies sway, 5 ducks in colors brighten the day, with feathers of azure and gold like the sun. They quacked out their laughter, oh what joyous fun. Emerald green waddled with grace by the brook, while ruby red quacked loud from a cozy nook. A splash of deep violet danced on the shore, as they dipped beaks in puddles and begged for more. The breadcrumbs were scattered, a feast to behold. Each duck had a favorite, stories untold. They feasted on morsels with chirps filled with glee, creating sweet memories as warm as could be. With each little nibble beneath leafy trees, the world turned to magic, it whispered soft breeze. They splashed through the water with frolicsome cheer, their hearts full of mirth, oh how precious this year. Around them spun laughter like petals in flight, beneath golden rays that melted daylight. And when evening fell softly on shimmering lake, they gathered together for friendship's own sake. From dusk until dawn they'd play hide and seek, in reeds they would giggle, in shadows they'd peek. Each color unique made a tapestry bright, an orchestra playing, their joy was delight. So let us remember those moments so pure, in parks where 5 ducks make life's burdens obscure. For happiness lingers where laughter is found, like colorful feathers that float all around. So if ever you wander neath skies painted blue, think back to those ducks and their carefree view. Embrace all that's playful with heart open wide, for life is much brighter when joys are
Yellow, green, and purple.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.